Welcome back to victoryisv.com. This is Venice, and today I will be sharing with you how to remove a background from a photo online for free. I will include the link in which I utilize the site. So if you go to Remove.bg, you will be able to access this same website. And again, I'm including that in the details below. Once you arrive to the website, you are going to upload an image. We're going to go with images, and we're going to go to this camera photo, and we are going to select this picture right here because I'm done and I'm fed up. And I want people to just hand me over their darn worries. Right? So you want to think of whatever concept you're trying to convey and then take a picture while you're doing that. So in this picture, I think I was saying, I am fed up. Are you done? Give it to me. As you upload it, you notice that it automatically does what you expect it to do, which is to remove that background. And at this point, you can just now go ahead and download it, and you'll be able to utilize this as you choose. Thank you for watching. For more videos, go ahead and click the playlist. Be certain to subscribe. See you next time. I love you, but Jesus loves you even more.